Hey there, fitness fanatics! Welcome to your ultimate calorie burning session. Are you ready to torch some serious calories and feel absolutely amazing? We're talking about a supercharged 10-minute workout that requires absolutely zero equipment. That's right, no need for any fancy gear. No fancy gym memberships or bulky equipment. Just you, your incredible body, and an unstoppable attitude. It's all about using what you have and making the most of it. Get ready to feel the burn and unleash your inner fitness warrior. This is your time to shine. This workout is designed to maximize your calorie burn in minimal time. We're talking about high-intensity interval training that will push you to your limits. High-intensity movements that'll have your heart pumping and your metabolism soaring. It's all about getting the most out of every single minute. The best part? You can do this workout anytime, anywhere. Whether you're in a small apartment or a spacious park, it fits your lifestyle. Whether you're at home, on the go, or even squeezing in a quick session during your lunch break, this workout is your secret weapon to a fitter, healthier you. No excuses, just results. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Mark your calendar and stick to your goals. Make this 10-minute workout a regular part of your routine, and prepare to be amazed by what your body can achieve. The transformation will be incredible. So what are you waiting for? Let's ignite that fire and get this workout started. Your journey to a healthier, stronger you begins now. Let's break down this awesome workout into easy-to-follow steps. This routine is designed to maximize your calorie burn in just 10 minutes, making it perfect for those with a busy schedule. We'll start with a quick warm-up to get your muscles prepped and ready to work. Warming up is crucial to prevent injuries and ensure your body is ready for the intense workout ahead. Then, we'll dive into the heart of the workout with a series of high-intensity exercises that'll have you sweating and feeling the burn. These exercises are designed to push your limits and maximize fat burning. Warm-up, 2 minutes. Jumping jacks for 1 minute. Jumping jacks are a great way to get your heart rate up and start burning calories right away. Get those arms and legs moving. Feel the energy surge through your body as you prepare for the next set of exercises. High knees for 30 seconds. This exercise will help improve your cardiovascular endurance and strengthen your lower body. Bring those knees up high. Keep your core tight and maintain a steady pace. Butt kicks for 30 seconds. This exercise targets your hamstrings and glutes, helping to tone and strengthen these muscles. Feel that burn in your glutes. Keep pushing through, you're doing great. Workout 7 minutes. Burpees for 1 minute. A full body blast. Burpees are excellent for building strength and endurance. Mountain climbers for 1 minute. Engage that core. This exercise will help you build a strong and stable core. Jump squats for 1 minute. Power through those legs. Plank for 30 seconds. Hold it strong. Push-ups for 30 seconds. Feel the power. These exercises will help you build explosive strength and endurance. Tricep dips using a chair or bench for 30 seconds. Tone those arms. Crunches for 30 seconds. Sculpt those abs. These exercises will help you build a strong upper body and core. Russian twists for 30 seconds. Work those obliques. Cool down, 1 minute. Stretching. Stretching is essential to help your muscles recover and prevent soreness. Gently stretch your muscles to prevent soreness. Take deep breaths and relax. You've earned it. Listen up, champions. You are strong, capable, and ready to conquer this workout like the rock star you are. Remember, you control the intensity. Modify exercises as needed, and don't be afraid to take breaks when you need them. Here's a pro tip. Visualize your success. See yourself crushing each exercise with power and determination. Your mind is a powerful tool, so use it to your advantage. And most importantly, have fun. Crank up your favorite music, grab a workout buddy, and let loose as you torch those calories. Congratulations on completing this awesome 10-minute fat-burning workout. You've shown incredible dedication and strength. You took a huge step towards a healthier, more confident you. Remember, every drop of sweat is a step closer to your goals. But don't stop there. Make this workout a regular part of your routine, and watch as your body transforms. Consistency is key to achieving lasting results. We're here to support you every step of the way. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, we're in this together. Share your progress with us in the comments below. We love hearing your success stories. Your journey can inspire others too. And be sure to subscribe to our blog for more killer workouts, nutrition tips, and endless motivation. Stay informed and stay motivated. You've got this, fitness fam. Keep pushing forward and celebrate every victory, no matter how small. Let's keep that fire burning bright. Together, we can achieve greatness.